Hi guys, we're making workflow videos how to move code from Arcolinux to your own GitHubs and your own repo maybe. Let's make a video. What if I don't want to do any of that? What if I just want to get, in this example, Herbstluftwm? Somebody asked me, Erik, can you make that one for me? I said, no, that's gonna be your homework. I'm gonna show you how the homework looks like. So we're not gonna make a package. We're not gonna put it on Arcolinux-nemesis. We're not gonna put it on Nemesis repo, but we are going to install Herbstluftwm. So another video to teach you to stand on your own 2 feet and say, okay, I would like to know to install Arcolinux wiki and Herbstluftwm. That's what you like to do, right? You read, put this guy over here. I need this package or that package. That means I'm going to launch a terminal and I'm going to say sudo pacman -s Herbstluft, and that's enough. No, wm. Ooh, that's not it. That's a new tiling window manager. That's my password. Okay. Let's see. That's the application. Now you need the configuration. Where's the configuration? The configuration is Arcolinux, GitHub, Herbstluft. Might have done this one, right? Might have done that, but no. This is the code. So grab the code. Let's go to another place. Go to desktop, git clone, Control V. That's not Control V, that's Control V. Okay, we've got this. etc scal config Herbstluft. Control C, Erik.config, Control V. So I've got now an application and a configuration. Let's see if we don't do anything more. Just that. Log out. Probably lots of things that we're missing, but this is the basic. An application, a configuration. Let's see. We don't see anything, right? All the key bindings are not working, but variety is working. That's already something. But as you see, I'm pressing, that does something, right? Something happens, but I can't do anything with it. So we're still missing packages, for sure. Best thing to do, if I can, right? If trying to get to control again, right? No control. Is this polybar up there that should be there? Is that something else that Herbstluftwm has? What am I missing? Lots of things. But basically, it's already, no, not you. Cancel. Can't seem to cancel this. Super, escape, click. So, best thing to do is now reset. Control R. So I'm resetting the virtual machine. We definitely need more applications, right? The problem with the tiling window manager is that's it. It does not do anything more than tiling windows. That's it. It manages that. All the rest, and that's why it's interesting to have something that works, XFCE, for example, as your backend. Now we're gonna do more stuff. He's trying to do all that again and again, each time, again, and that's it. Ctrl-Alt-F, Arcolinux. So basically, we've put in the energy to figure out what do I need to get Arcolinux Herbstluftwm working, right? Now, that's the config. The applications, the list of the Lego blocks that we like to have to launch what desktop. Take a look, they're all here. view all repositories. They're all here, right? Page 1, page 2. So either it's Herbst or it is HW, Herbst, and it is Herbst. In here is the list of things you should run. And it is more than just this guy, right? We need this one. Do we need Polybar? Yes, we need Polybar. Do we need Arcolinux Polybar? Probably. Did not think about that. But we need Polybar for sure. So it's gonna be a little bit tricky there with Polybar. Well, it's just an extra thing to do. That's it. So this is a list of things you want to install. Well, go get it. Raw, you can go it like this. Control A, Control C, and then put it in here somewhere, I don't know, somewhere. Open terminal here, and then Sublime test.sh. You give it a better name. Control V, save. And you run test.sh. Now let's clean it up a bit because it's gonna install stuff I don't want. It's gonna enable SDM, it's already enabled. So that's gone. Backup of this, we don't need backups. Just copy paste over. This is Cal, sure. Do we need Arcolinux Polybar? Yes, we need it, but it's unavailable here. Arcolinux layout, yes, we have that. Xtitle, git vd. So this is all good. This is basically yes, this is edu xfc git. We can get that, but it's already there because xfc is in the backend. Arcolinux wallpapers, who cares? SDM, we have that as well. We press F9, which makes more sense alphabetically. So Polybar is an application, and we need a configuration of Polybar. The configuration is online. We have to go to, not the D for desktops, but we need to go to Arcolinux. Polybar. That's the Polybar. Click on the code, minimize, minimize, git clone Polybar. Polybar should go where? Should go here, in the config. So should go in the config, like so. Herbstluft is here, Polybar is here. Sexy hotkey daemon needs to be run, so the test.sh. Let's run it. Schmot. Well, let's do first an ls. It's white. Schmot plus x test.sh ls. We can run it. It's green. So let's change a few things. So ArcoNet does not exist, but edu xfc4 does exist. It's a bit later on. So save. Do it again. And you see the F. Sure. Save. And Xtitle git is not found. Let's see if it needs it or not. Save. One still red guy here. Is that not okay? Edu xfce4. xfc git. It matters, everything needs to be correct. And this is 9 minutes. And I do hope it just works, right? So it's all about workflow. Think it through. What am I missing? What do I want? Or what will I remove? Things like that. Aha, varieties there. Cool. Control T, enter, quit, super X, super D, and super shift D. This is super D, this is super shift D. Python on VirtualBox, never mind, right? Do it on real metal and set it right there. Done, right? Done. Herbstluft has now been migrated, have now been changed, and we're up to date. And there we are. But this is up to you. The things we're missing, and you can't do a sudo pacman, right? I will not do all the desktops, but we can choose awesome, we can choose chatwm, we can choose i3, we can choose leftwm, and Qtile, and I've shown you how easy it is to have Herbstluftwm, and all the other desktops are at your disposal. They're online. It needs 11 minutes of your time if you got it. Cheers.